Hi friends, this video shows how to fix black screen issue by adjusting screen refresh rate. Go to settings, search settings icon from top right corner, go to display and sound, go down, select match content frame rate. Here you can see three options. So right now I have selected always. If we select always, TV will automatically adjust the frame rate based on the frame rate of the original content. So that is the reason you are seeing black screen. So we can turn off this, select never, done. So now TV will not automatically adjust the frame rate based on the frame rate of the original content that we are playing. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.